Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into the life and career of one of the most exciting and determined figures in the world of motorsports, Leah Pruitt. You might know her for her high-octane performances on the drag racing track, but her journey to success is filled with grit, passion, and plenty of incredible milestones. Let's take a closer look at this trailblazer in the world of NHRA racing. Leah Pruitt was born on May 26, 1988 in Redlands, California. From a young age, Leah had a passion for racing. Her love for motorsports wasn't something that happened overnight. It grew over time, as she found herself drawn to the world of cars and speed. As she got older, Leah's dream of becoming a professional racer started to take shape. Her path to becoming a competitive drag racer wasn't a simple one. She faced many challenges along the way, but her determination kept her focused. Leah started her career in sports like motocross, but it was when she made the switch to drag racing that her talent truly began to shine. Leah Pruitt is best known for her success in the National Hot Rod Association, NHRA, where she has made a name for herself as a top competitor. She began racing in the NHRA in 2012, and over the years, she has gained a reputation for being a fierce and skilled driver. She made a huge impact when she joined Don Schumacher Racing in 2016, a key move that helped her take her career to the next level. In the NHRA, Leah competes in the Top Fuel division, which features some of the fastest cars on Earth. Top Fuel dragsters can go from 0 to 330 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds. Imagine the sheer force of that! Leah's skill in handling these machines is nothing short of impressive. She's faced a lot of tough competitors, but through her sheer perseverance and talent, she's proven that she belongs at the top of the game. Throughout her career, Leah has achieved some pretty impressive feats. In 2020, she became the first woman in more than 35 years to win an NHRA Top Fuel race. This was a significant moment in drag racing history, and it showed that women could hold their own in a sport traditionally dominated by men. It wasn't just a personal victory for Leah, it was a victory for women in motorsports everywhere. Leah has also made history with several other career accomplishments, including winning multiple events and securing top finishes in national championships. Her consistent performance on the track has made her one of the most respected drivers in the sport. Off the track, Leah Pruitt is just as driven. She's known for her dedication to fitness, mental toughness, and her relentless work ethic. Whether it's through training, physical conditioning, or constantly improving her racing techniques, Leah is always looking for ways to stay at the top of her game. Outside of racing, Leah enjoys spending time with her husband, fellow racer Matt Hagan, and she's also known for her involvement in various charitable activities. She's passionate about giving back to the community and inspiring others, especially young women, to pursue their dreams in motorsports. Leah Pruitt's story is one of resilience, hard work, and trailblazing achievements. From a young girl with a dream to one of the top racers in the world, she continues to prove that with passion and dedication, anything is possible. Leah's journey is inspiring, and she's certainly a figure to watch in the world of NHRA racing for years to come. If you're a fan of drag racing or just someone who appreciates a good underdog story, Leah Pruitt is definitely someone you should keep an eye on. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing stories like this one. Until next time, take care.